We are currently experiencing a big transition to Web3, and the exciting part about this is that we are still super early. You can make money in the Web3 world in two major ways. And this is by either investing in it or creating something in it. Recently, Walmart launched a virtual store, Nike hopping into the Web3, Adidas joining the NFT, and Web3 hype and companies changing their domains to .eth. Left and right, the new era of the internet is here with the Web 3.0, and it has investors pouring billions of dollars into it. So I think it's time we have a closer look. Just do a quick Google Trend search for Web3. Here are a few different ways you can make money with Web3. Earn money on Web3 by airdrops. So the first way is through what is known as airdrops. Now, since Web3 is really new and just getting started with new projects being booked like every single day, developers want as many people to interact with their platforms as possible and are rewarding early adopters of their product with governance tokens. So essentially, it's a way for projects to drive awareness to their platform. Your wallet has to meet certain criteria to receive these free tokens. Crypto mining. Experts predict cryptocurrency to be the currency of the digital world. From selling and purchasing to trading and investment, all financial domains in Web 3.0 and the metaverse will most likely use cryptocurrencies instead of fiat currencies. This is why many big companies are either backing a cryptocurrency or investing in minting their own cryptocurrency. For example, Facebook is creating its own crypto coin known as DIEM, which will be the native coin for Facebook's own metaverse. Play-to-earn model. Web 3.0 will offer the most immersive gaming experience on a global scale. Game development companies are already working on building play-to-earn games, and some of them are already available in the market. A play-to-earn gives you an opportunity to earn cryptocurrency for playing a game. You can complete challenges or reach new levels and earn crypto coins. Similarly, you can even battle it out with other players online and win their coins. You will later be able to convert your crypto coins into cash. Some of the most common games using the earn-to-play model includes Axie Infinity, Splinterlands, and Gods Unchained. There are platforms like the Sandbox that allow you to monetize assets and gaming to create a return on investment opportunities. Earn from your data. In the centralized world, when companies have the right over data, they sell it for their benefit. Web 3.0 lets you do the same, but for your own benefit. You can share your data across the globe to buy and sell anything. Anything can include properties too. And in case you want to sell your data to any corporation like Facebook, you can do that with the help of Web 3.0 and get fairly paid for it. You just have to choose what you want to do with your data. Create personalized currency. Web 3.0 not only lets you own your data, but also lets you pay off well when you create your personalized token. You can create your tokens and mint or distribute them. You can fully and directly control the value of the currency. Personalized tokens have much more use than anyone can imagine. It lets the people create a way to monetize the value or the data they create. You can use the personalized tokens to experience a whole new online world. Benefit yourself from decentralized credit. With decentralized credit, you can omit the role of banks from not only sending and receiving money, but also from borrowing and lending it. You can create or take part in the lender pool and customize how you wish to lend your money and on what profit. The credit pools can earn you a good sum of money that otherwise would be impossible. However, that does not mean that you will no longer see more banks. Banks will stay, but Web 3.0 will change the banking style in the upcoming future and you can take benefit from it. Own NFTs. Anyone can access the NFT and earn some passive income. You can generate this income for upcoming years without stepping into a financial crisis. Because it generates a passive income source, it has no risks included. The decentralization works behind the NFT and makes it possible. You can buy and auction NFTs to get a profit. Digital art has become NFT. You can own or create your digital art and then sell it to make the money. No third party can interfere in your decision, only your choice of what you want to do with your digital art. You can use the NFTs for gaming, as a digital wallet, in virtual real estate, in the metaverse, and much more. NFTs have endless possibilities to count. Participate in the technology. Last but not least, Web 3.0 is growing rapidly, and so are the technologies associated with it. Because it solely depends on the open source utilities, it is a great time for you to participate in it. You can start your career now as a Web 3.0 developer, begin with a new future now. It has already birthed new technologies and will do so to others. How to invest in Web3 and make profit. Investing in Web3 is an opportunity to be among the earliest adopters of a young and fast evolving technology and make a profit. Nonetheless, as with any emerging technology, there is no guarantee that companies and industries will be the big winners as Web 3.0 keeps unfolding. However, if you're asking yourself how to invest in Web 3 and own a part of the third generation of the internet while the getting is good, here are some of the investment opportunities. Invest in Web 3 crypto projects. Probably the first thing that springs to mind when thinking to invest in Web 3 is cryptocurrencies. Purchasing and selling digital currency and/or cryptocurrency is the simplest way to invest in Web 3, sometimes also called Web 3 tokens. Developers envision cryptocurrency as the economic engine of the future because it is currently utilized to buy NFTs, real estate, and other items in the metaverse. Despite the current uncertainty, the cryptocurrency trajectory is really positive, and you may join Web 3 by simply buying coins. By crypto market capitalization as of April 11, 2022, the top Web3 crypto projects were Polkadot, Dot, Chainlink, Filecoin, Theta Network, and Helium. Despite the fact that they're all unstable, they continue to be important Web3 players, and several of them have valuations in the billions of dollars. You may mine cryptocurrencies to invest in them if you know how to program them. Investing in Web3 companies and stocks. It can be tough to figure out which Web3 companies to invest in since each of those companies are essentially pioneering previously untested products in a fast-changing market. Potential investors are of course also interested in companies that are heading Web3 projects in this brave new digital world. Given the increased interest in Web3 and the number of tech firms that are currently trading publicly in the market, such as Microsoft, you may acquire access to Web3 advances by purchasing the stock of these firms. Investing in startups creating Web3 related goods or dApps is another option for purchasing stocks of Web3 related businesses. Investing in DAOs. To invest in Web3 is to invest in Web3 companies. These companies are called DAOs. Built on a publicly owned open source blockchain, these DAOs may very well be the workplace of the future. Because they're inexpensive and simple to set up, they encourage more small investors to invest. You're making an investment in a product or concept you believe in when you invest in DAOs. Find one with a goal you care about from among the many possibilities that are available and open to everyone. DAO cryptocurrency tokens have a variety of uses, including fundraising, NFT creation, and investing. Since DAOs require finance as well, you may invest by purchasing DAO's native tokens, also known as DAO coins. They are digital currencies linked to certain initiatives, such as those on the Ethereum blockchain. The more tokens you own, the more voting rights you get, exactly as when you buy stocks from any corporation. Web 3.0 and related technologies are expanding quickly, creating a whole new realm of investment prospects. Your future financial success can be greatly enhanced if you choose to invest in Web 3, but it's critical to comprehend the dangers. Web 3 is still in its early stages, like other aspects of cryptocurrency, therefore you should exercise caution before investing. Currently, Web3 offers average individuals the chance to make an early investment in a developing sector supported by top IT expertise and flush with venture capital. Start with NFTs, cryptocurrencies, and direct investments in the metaverse, but bear in mind that these are all speculative investments. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more finance-related videos. Thank you, have a good day.